Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. Today we've got an awesome Beta Evo 2T. This thing is super trick, except we've got a little problem. We've got an oil leak. We've got to go ahead and change the shift shaft seal. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, first up we're going to remove this 10mm bolt and go ahead and pull the gear shifter assembly out of the way. Then we can go ahead and take our flashlight. Take a good look at that shift shaft to make sure there's no visible damage or any damage on the engine cases themselves. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this seal. Now you want to take a pick here and start from the center of the seal and just kind of work around. Be careful not to damage the actual shift shaft because of those fine teeth. And you don't want to brace it against the outside of the case because that could actually mar the case up. And just work it around and that seal will pop right off. Now I'm just kind of physically inspecting, make sure there's no case damage there. Go ahead and take my parts cleaner, clean that up a little bit. Alright, just about got this ready to put the new seal in. And I always recommend using the OEM seals. Right here you can see I've got a Beta seal. And I like to throw a thin layer of grease around the seal. That way it lines it up just right and I don't crisscross the seal when installing it. Also to note, you want to find a socket that has the same outside diameter as the seal. Now you can see here I'm taking my socket and I'm actually holding it off to the side so it bumps up against the case and it actually stops how far I'm hitting the seal in, because you can push the seal in a little too far. And notice I'm using a dead blow. You really want to take your time here. Make sure you hit it in nice and easy. Get that seal set just right. Here I'm just physically inspecting it. Looks great. Go ahead and clean up our residual grease. We can go ahead and reinstall the gear shifter. And on most machines on the shift shaft they have a little dot and you can line up where the gear shifter splits in the back. That's how I get my alignment just right for the shifter. Of course it's right of preference. You can move it up or down depending on how you like it.
Okay, there you have it. Shift shaft seal replacement on a Beta 300 Evo 2T. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel because I've got another one coming up. It's an OSA. It's another 300cc two-stroke trials bike, but this thing's fuel injected. This thing's way ahead of its time. Super awesome build. I'm gonna rebuild the whole motor and everything. So make sure you stay tuned to that video. Once again, I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow and brings you more how-to videos. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.